If you think an AI app can replace a human trainer, you're both right and dead wrong. But here's what nobody's telling you. While everyone's arguing about who wins, they're missing the real game changer. Today, I'm revealing what AI destroys humans at, what humans will always dominate, and why the future isn't about picking sides. Hey there, I'm Abby Smiley Krause, and welcome back to Straight Talk with Abby. If you're new here, this is the audio series where I give you the real talk about fitness and transformation after 40. I'm a personal trainer, certified nutritionist, and accountability coach, and I am passionate about helping you become your best self. Today, I'm diving into the hottest debate in fitness: AI versus human trainers. With AI fitness apps exploding in popularity, everyone's asking, do we even freaking need human trainers anymore? So let me give you this example. Your phone buzzes. It's your AI fitness app telling you exactly what to do at the gym today, how many reps, what weights to use, even encouraging you with personalized messages. It knows your workout history, tracks your progress, and adapts your program in real time. Meanwhile, there's some human personal trainers out there that are panicking, wondering if they're about to be replaced by algorithms. And honestly, some of them should be worried. But before we crown AI as the new king of fitness, let me tell you what 30 years in this industry has taught me about what it really takes to transform someone's life. Spoiler alert, it's not just about the perfect workout program. It's about fixing what's actually broke, and that's between your ears. But let's start where AI absolutely annihilates humans. And the first one's obviously data processing. AI can analyze thousands of workouts, compare your progress to millions of other users, and spot patterns that no human brain could ever see. And we're talking about processing power that makes human memory look like a freaking broken calculator. Consistency. AI doesn't have bad days, doesn't call in sick, doesn't have personal drama affecting its coaching. It is always on, always optimized, never hungover from last night's mistakes. Availability. 24/7, 365. That access is always there. No scheduling conflicts, no waiting for responses. Your AI trainer doesn't freaking sleep, doesn't take vacations, and definitely never ghosts you. Costs. Most AI apps cost less per month than one session with a human trainer. We're talking Ferrari performance at Honda Civic prices. Personalization at scale. AI can create individualized programs for millions of people simultaneously. Obviously, something impossible for human trainers. Objective tracking. It tracks everything perfectly. Every rep, every set, every improvement without human error, bias, or ego getting in the way. And honestly, for basic fitness needs, AI's pretty damn good. If you just need a structured program and some digital accountability, AI might be all you need. But here's where it gets interesting. What AI can't do, at least not yet, is the messy, complicated, beautiful work of human transformation. Reading between the lines. Because when I see a client that says I'm fine in a Zoom meeting, but their body language screams otherwise, I know something's up. AI sees fine in the chat and moves on. I see a human who's struggling and needs some extra support. AI can't sense when you need a pep talk versus when you need some tough love versus when you need someone to just listen. It doesn't know the difference between push through and back off when life gets complicated. AI knows you missed 3 workouts this week, I know you miss them because your mom was in the hospital, you're going through a divorce, and your teenager's struggling in school. Completely different problems require completely different solutions. AI follows algorithms and data points. Humans can throw out the entire plan when they sense it's not working, even if the data says it should be. Sometimes you need to ignore those numbers and just trust your gut. AI can send motivational quotes and achievement badges, but humans can remind you why you started this journey when you're ready to quit and help you find new reasons when those old ones stop working. When your knee starts bothering you during squats, AI might suggest modifications from a database, but a human trainer can assess your movement in real time, understand your history, and help you work around the issue while addressing the root cause. AI can send you reminders and track streaks, but humans can call you out on your BS while still loving you through the process. Because there's a difference between notification accountability and human accountability. Here's the truth that most trainers are too scared to admit. Most people don't need a perfect workout program. They need a good enough program that they'll actually follow consistently. AI excels at creating perfect programs based on data and algorithms, but humans excel at creating followable programs based on psychology and real world limitations. AI tracks everything with precision. Humans track what actually matters for long-term success. AI is consistent in its responses, but humans are adaptive to your changing needs. AI learns from massive data sets where humans learn from deep experience and intuition. AI can coach your body and optimize your workouts, but humans can coach your mind and optimize your life. The question isn't which is better, it's which is better for you right now for your specific situation and psychological makeup. Here's what I think is really happening and why I saw this shift actually coming over a year ago. We're not heading toward AI versus humans. We're heading toward AI plus humans. The future of fitness coaching, it looks like this. AI handling the data, the tracking, the program adjustments, and the basic programming. So humans then can handle the psychology, the motivation, complex problem solving, and transformation work. AI providing that 24/7 support and monitoring where the humans can provide the deep work of lasting change. The trainers who will thrive are those who embrace AI as a tool to enhance their human capabilities, not replace them. Let the robots handle the boring stuff so we can focus on what actually changes lives. So, when should you use AI versus a human trainer? Choose AI if you have basic fitness goals and strong self motivation. You're consistent with technology and apps. Your budget is a big concern. You prefer working out independently anyway, and you just need a structured program to follow. You're already mentally dialed in. But you're going to want to choose a human trainer if you have complex goals or special needs or injuries, you struggle with motivation and accountability, which is the majority of people. You have a history of starting and stopping programs, which is a lot of people, and you're dealing with injuries or health issues. You need emotional support and mindset work. You're completely new to fitness and you need education, or you've tried everything and keep failing. But here's where I think the win is to choose both. Because if you want the best of both worlds and you can afford the investment, you'll get that multiple support system. And if you want the data tracking plus human insight, you'll get it. And if you're serious about permanent transformation, I think this is the winning ticket. So let's talk about one of the challenges, or actually several challenges with the AI fitness that not a lot of people are talking about or bringing to the light, and that is over-reliance. When the app crashes or your phone dies, and if you don't know how to work out on your own, you're kind of screwed. You become dependent on external validation instead of building internal systems. Algorithm limitations, because the AI personalizes based on data. But data doesn't capture everything about your unique situation, like your stress levels, your sleep quality, or your emotional state. It's missing intuition. AI cannot sense when you need to push through versus when you need to back off. It can't read your energy or know when life is just maybe demanding too much of you right now. It has a narrow focus. AI optimizes workouts, but transformation is about so much more than just the workouts. It's about changing your entire relationship with yourself. And AI learns from your preferences, potentially keeping you in your comfort zone instead of challenging you to grow in ways you never imagined. So here's what I think no AI will ever replicate: the trainer who sees you struggling and adjusts not just your workout, but your entire approach to fitness and life. The coach who notices you're being too hard on yourself and helps you to develop self-compassion alongside physical strength. The human who celebrates your victories and sits with you through your setbacks, knowing that both are part of the journey. The mentor who helps you see possibilities you never even imagined for yourself, who believes in your potential even when you don't. The person who holds space for your transformation, not just your workout data, but your entire evolution as a human being. So I think the market is splitting. Basic fitness coaching becomes commoditized. AI can handle that. But transformation coaching becomes premium, and that's human territory. Trainers who just count reps and write programs, yeah, AI is coming for them. But trainers who understand human psychology, who can create lasting behavioral change, who can guide someone through the mental game of transformation, we're now more valuable than ever. So the future of fitness, it's not about AI replacing humans or humans fighting against AI. It's about understanding what each brings to the table and using them strategically for what they do best. AI can make fitness more accessible, affordable, and data-driven. That's incredible, and democratizes fitness in ways we've never seen before. But humans can make that fitness more personal, emotional, and transformational. That's irreplaceable and becomes more valuable as everything else gets automated. Your transformation journey is ultimately about becoming the best version of yourself, whether that happens with AI, with humans, or with both. Depends on what you need most right now. But remember this: no app, no matter how smart, can want your success more than you do. No human, no matter how skilled, can do the work for you. The best trainer, whether artificial or human, is the one that helps you become your own coach. Because at the end of the day, the most important relationship you have, it's with yourself. So choose the tools that support that relationship best. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for listening to Straight Talk with Abby. If this episode hit you where you needed it, here's what I want you to do. First, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Transformation is contagious, and you never know who's waiting for exactly this message. Second, if you're ready to stop starting over and start becoming the unstoppable version of yourself, I've got something for you. My audiobook, Your Breakthrough Era, Unstoppable Starts Here, is now available on Audible, iTunes, and Amazon. It's the deeper dive into everything we talk about here. And if you're ready to go all in on your fitness transformation, check out my program Unstoppable 2.0, my 12-week program that combines fitness, mindset, and identity work to help you become who you're meant to be. You can find all the details at yourfitnesschick.com. Remember, your breakthrough era doesn't start when you feel ready. It starts when you decide you're ready. I'll see you next time for more Straight Talk. Until then, keep breaking through.